Hey guys, Kosho619 here on a windy day. Just picked up my Losi Pro Moto MX over at my local hobby shop, El Cajon Hobbies, and I'm gonna unbox it for you and show you what to expect out of this nicely new designed, ready to run motorcycle. It's super awesome what I see, so let's get into it. We are into the motorcycle and it's nicely wrapped up. It comes with your instruction manual and looks like some coupons for some Supermoto tires. And there's my radio. Let's get this unwrapped. Okay everybody, the Losi Pro Moto is out of the box along with the added parts. It does come with AA batteries for your new transmitter, and it comes with some chain lube, also some wrenches to work on it. I believe it's to take the forks apart and all, and it looks like some tuning parts for suspension related things. They call these caster blocks, I believe. Anyway, they're in the bag with some numbers on them, and take a look at that bike. It's super awesome. We're in my backyard doing this today. Didn't even clean up the yard, didn't give it any time because this is so hot. I had to put it out on the internet. The detail is unbelievable. My favorite part is the chain. Look at the detail in that chain. It's a metal chain. Super nice the way they did this. So stay tuned for the running video. I just wanted to get it out of the box and show everybody. I bought this at El Cajon Hobbies in El Cajon, California. Nice guy Ryan over there runs the store. It was a great experience. So anyway, thank you Ryan, and thanks for the hookup. Stay tuned for the running video. This is Kosho. I'm out. Hey guys, it's a pretty raw video, but I wanted to show you the size of this compared to my 480 helicopter. You helicopter guys out there that watch my channel. This is the Blade 480 next to the new quarter scale Losi Pro Moto MX. And yes, if you're a heli pilot, you do need the Losi Pro Moto MX. This thing is really cool. It's detailed and mechanical like a helicopter. It's actually got gyro in it, so you may like it. Anyway, I wanted to add that to this video. Hey everybody, so you just saw the unboxing of the Losi Pro Moto MX. And if you like what you saw, please comment below. Please subscribe if you can. Also, if you have questions, helicopter related, airplane related, RC Moto related, RC car related, please just comment below. Ask me what you want to know. Check out my Facebook page. It's Justin Kosho Co. Facebook, and Facebook/Kosho. I have an Instagram handle, Kosho619. Everything helps. Basically, we all need to prove to my sponsors that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, so please explain yourself, and I hope everyone's having a good weekend this 4th of July, and I don't know, I guess that's all I had to say, but thank you for watching, and Kosho619, I'm out. Just fix my hair too, don't kid.